First, clean the area where the dashcam will go and apply the adhesive film. Next, attach the dashcam main unit firmly onto the film. Now, connect the power cable, rear camera cable, and GPS cable to the main unit. Then, gently route the cables inside the roof trim. Feel free to use cable ties to bundle and keep the wires tidy. Next, route the power and rear camera cables down through the front pillow gap. And mount the GPS unit in place. Then, continue running the power cable along the weather strip. Now, remove the lower crash pad panel to access the fuse box area. First, connect the dashcam's ground wire to a suitable grounding bolt on the vehicle body. Using a circuit tester, find an ACC fuse that only gets power when the ignition is on, and no power when OFF. Pull out that ACC fuse and insert it into a dual fuse holder. Connect the ACC wire from the power cable to the holder, and wrap any exposed wiring with electrical tape for insulation. Next, use the tester to check which side of the fuse slot is the power input side and which is the output side. Plug the holder into the slot, making sure the wire goes into the output side. With the key OFF, use the circuit tester to find a B+ fuse that has constant power. Pull out the B+ fuse and insert it into another dual fuse holder. Connect the B+ wire to the holder, again wrapping any exposed wiring with electrical tape. Again, use the tester to identify the power input and output sides of the B+ slot. Connect the holder to the B+ slot, ensuring the wire is on the output side. Now, check whether the dashcam main unit is receiving power properly. Once powered, route the rear camera cable along the weather strip, passing through the B-pillar and C-pillar gaps. Clean the area where the rear camera will be mounted and apply the adhesive film. Attach the rear camera onto the film and connect the cable to finish the setup.